3, 2, 1.
You're watching
Tico Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this video, I will be showing you how to change your display name to Japanese on Roblox for 2024. Let's get right into it. To begin with, you can see that my current display name on Roblox is already in Japanese. If you'd like to do the same, here's how you can easily achieve this. Start by logging into your Roblox account on the website. Once logged in, go to the top right corner and click on the gear icon, which opens the settings menu. Many people mistakenly believe that you need to change your account's location in order to get a Japanese display name, but this is not the case. As you can see, my account's location is set to the United Kingdom, yet I was still able to set a Japanese display name. The next step is to open a new web browser and go to Google. Once there, search for Google Translate and click on the first link that appears. On Google Translate, select the language you want to translate from, in this case, English, and the language you want to translate to, which is Japanese. Then, type the name you want to translate into the provided box. For example, if you type Tech Shower Tutorials, Google Translate will generate the Japanese equivalent of that name. After you have the Japanese translation, simply copy it. Now, go back to Roblox and navigate to your settings again. In the Account Info section, you'll see your current display name. To change it, click on the pencil icon on the far right of the display name box, and paste the Japanese name you copied earlier into the box. Keep in mind that Roblox does not allow a mix of English and Japanese characters in the display name, so you cannot combine both languages. If you try, you will receive an error message. Once you've pasted the full Japanese name, click Save, and your display name will now be in Japanese. That's all you need to do to change your display name to Japanese on Roblox in 2024. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.